Last year they had nets that came down, so what we were afraid of was the robot would get stuck. You notice both wheels spin this way. So if a net came down on top of you, you can drive out from underneath you. If another robot gets on top of you, the system, which is really tough to do. Here, if you want to look in here. We had to do like the serpentine system, so when this one spins, see how they all spin the same way. I mean, well, actually opposite way.
Wow.
It should have a top speed of about 25 miles an hour. Or it did before we lost two motors. Alright, so what happened was we had one motor running forward and one motor running in reverse, and they ended up breaking off the sprocket off two of the motors, which allowed the system to still be running, but we also had forward and reverse powered to the same system, so we ended up blowing a MOSFET, which blew our controller and everything. We're not going to be able to use two motors now because we don't have any spare sprockets.
Do you think you'll be able to get him running, repair him?
I think so. It'll be really fast, but it won't be as controllable. Due to UPS, we lost our real controllers. We were using a Bill Nicoloff special. This was built 3 days before the event, and as you can see, we ended up burning a bunch of the resistors there.
You just took a picture of the fried
Pulled the chips out already. Oh, the chips are gone. All the solder on the backside's gone. So that ended up blowing we basically lost our variable control, and we're cruising together a relay system for the most part.